Thank you for buying this 18109 first aid kit from Fixture Displays. This is the very compact bag that hold a lot of items for your first aid needs. The bag measures about 10 by 7 by 3 and weighs about 0.6 pounds. These are all the components. You have a variety of items to deal with workplace or home injuries for a quick remedy. In the listing, there are more detailed descriptions of what these items are. But you have your band-aid, you have the scissors, you have disinfection pads, gauze, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. If you have a custom needs, we love the opportunity to manufacture for you. Do like us, subscribe, and remember leave a good seller feedback along with a good product review. Thank you.